The hell?
Walmart. I can go to the bathroom.
All right, hurry up.
I'm gonna need some money
They gonna charge you to pay?
to get some house shoes. Gotta get some kind of shoes.
Get you some house shoes. Get you some green polka dot house shoes.
My name is Novali. I put all my hopes on him. I followed him into this strange journey without hesitation. But who would have thought? I just went to the bathroom, and he vanished without a trace. I stood outside the supermarket, holding a child in my arms. There wasn't a single soul in sight. At that moment, all I felt was panic, confusion, and fear. I tried to calm myself down. Maybe he just went somewhere else and would be right back. But time kept passing. No matter how long I waited, he never came back. I didn't know anyone. I had nowhere to go. I could only stay outside that store, clinging to the last bit of hope that was falling apart. Suddenly, an announcement came on, but a sharp pain hit my stomach, so I rushed to the restroom. When I came back out, the entire store was closed and pitch dark. I had to stay there for the night. I set several alarms to wake me up. Each time they rang, I'd hide between shelves before anyone saw me. When the store opened again, I'd sneak out quietly. With nowhere else to go, I sat on the bench outside, staring at the road to the parking lot, still waiting for him to come back. A kind nun walked over to me. She mistook me for her friend's daughter. She spoke gently and handed me a chestnut tree, said it would bring good luck to my baby. Before she left, she gave me her home address and invited me to visit any time. Her kindness almost brought me to tears. I really wanted to go, but I was afraid that if I left, I'd miss the moment he came back for me. So I sneaked into the store again, pretended to be a customer, and hid in the restroom before closing time. Once it was all quiet, I came out and began reading parenting magazines, practicing those moves one step at a time. When I got hungry, I'd eat some snacks and drink milk. Whatever I used, I put it back the next day. Then I went to the park, sat on the bench, and wrote down every item I'd taken. I kept telling myself, someday, I'd pay it all back. One day, I noticed the tree the nun gave me had started to wither. I rushed to the library, hoping to find a way to save it. The librarian was kind. He brought me stacks of books about plants, but the words were too confusing. I just wanted him to tell me what exactly to do. Before I could ask, a scream came from upstairs. His face changed, and he ran up immediately. I had no choice. I took the dying tree and went to see the nun. I apologized, said I really tried to take care of it. She didn't blame me. She just looked at me gently and invited me to stay for lunch. We sat around the table, held hands, and prayed for the safe birth of my child. In that moment, I wished this could be my home, but once night came, I had to return to the store. What I didn't know was, the librarian had already noticed something was off, and worse, my labor had started. The pain came in waves, sharp and unbearable. I held onto the wall, gritting my teeth, trying to find a clean place to give birth, but every step felt like walking on blades. The pain nearly knocked me down. In the end, I collapsed. Tears mixed with sweat as I held my belly, telling myself, don't die, don't give up. Just when I had lost all hope, a figure appeared out of nowhere.